Hello everyone, I'm Koy Aber F. Moncal from Grade 8 Alexandrite. For today's video, I will be showing you on how to clean a fish from the market using a step-by-step process. What are you waiting for? Come and watch my video. We know that when cleaning a fish, we need to remove the fins, gills, scales, and other unnecessary parts. We also need to make sure that the fish is clean for our safety. Let's always remember that cleaning is always part of the process. After removing all the unnecessary parts, make sure to wash it properly to keep it fresh and clean. And last but not the least is a glimpse of cooking the fish and serving it for my family to eat. Please enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay, lagyan mo na lang ng background music tong video. Ibaba mo naman pag naglilinis, hindi nakatapat sa mukha. Magkikis na kayo ng isda eh.
Ang taste na ba?
Ito 2 minutes na, gugupit ka pa lang. Hindi pa luto yan to.